have challenge, and the challenge I'm going to be doing today is going to be called baby_web. So one of the very first things you want to do is start up the instance for the most part, which I already did. So if we go directly at the index, we get this hello world and we get 1.php. So initially I thought, like, maybe what if I put 2.php with 3.php, and I kept thinking it might be like a brute force one because like we see nothing happening in the background. And if we go back to 1.php, we see hello world, and I checked the view page source and it just prints out hello world. So I was stuck for a while. So then after that I went to translate.google.com. So when I went to translate.google.com, the reason I went for that is because maybe there's something in the description. So I double clicked on the description and I looked up what it said right here. Oh, this is Korean. Before thinking, start thinking. Yeah, I don't know. Think about which initial page is. So like I kept reading that to myself, like constantly, just telling myself, what does this mean? For the most part, think about which initial page is. So thinking that to myself, I thought, what's something that could, like, an initial page has? So I think about it. So an initial PHP page. Initial.php. Your first PHP enable page. So I kept looking at this hello world, hello.php, hello. And then I thought about it a lot. It's like, what's usually on a PHP page, like an index, some sort of index, is that a PHP page? So that's what I tried to do. I tried index.php and see what happens. Index.php. And then it redirected back to 1. So that's something that was interesting for me. Because if it redirected, something must have happened. So I went back right here and I typed index.php again. And then we get a redirect right here on index.php. And if we initially click on this right here, we see a request being made to 302. And if we keep going down, we keep seeing flag very baby web, which is right here. And I'm guessing that was the hint with this one. So you got to think about it, where the initial page is, because if you go on 1, I don't think the flag doesn't show up right here. So initially the flag, or like the thing that it wants us to show, is just, I guess, redirection and just checking that headers being sent in and sent out. And so this is our flag right here. So if I just grab this and put it right here on add world and submit it, we get the point. Congratulations, you answered the question correctly. So yeah, that was about it for this challenge. It's mostly like understanding where to put certain things inside the code, or where to put certain requests for the most part. But yeah, that was about it for this challenge. Hope you guys learned something new. I know I didn't. It's a pretty easy challenge, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.